Welcome to Luxury Car, the channel where we bring you the finest in automotive excellence. Today we're diving into the stunning 2025 Bentley Continental GT, a true masterpiece of design, engineering, and performance. This iconic Grand Tourer continues to push the boundaries of what a luxury car should be, and we're here to explore every inch of its exquisite exterior, from its bold design to its cutting-edge features. Let's start with the overall design of the 2025 Bentley Continental GT. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you're struck by its unmistakable presence. With a sleek and muscular profile that effortlessly blends elegance and power, the front end is dominated by Bentley's signature matrix grille, which is larger than ever before, giving the car an assertive and refined look. The chrome frame and darkened grille mesh work together to create a striking contrast, highlighting the car's sophistication and athleticism. On either side of the grille, you'll notice the sharp, angular headlights, featuring Bentley's signature oval shape and advanced LED technology. These lights are not just functional but serve as a visual cue that this is a car designed to be seen. The sharp lines and dynamic curves around the headlights flow seamlessly down the front fenders, creating a sculpted and aggressive stance. This design language is carried throughout the car, giving it a sense of motion even when it's standing still. Moving along the side, the 2025 Continental GT features a long, flowing body with smooth, sweeping lines that accentuate its aerodynamic qualities. The roofline gently slopes towards the rear, enhancing the coupe's athletic profile, while the muscular rear haunches add a sense of power and confidence. The car's proportions are balanced perfectly, with large, multi-spoke wheels adding an extra layer of luxury and sportiness. The rear arches, especially with the 22-inch wheels, are a standout, giving the car a planted, stable look on the road. As you approach the rear, the design becomes even more dramatic. The taillights are slim, sleek, and instantly recognizable, featuring Bentley's signature B motif. These lights wrap around the rear, giving the car a wider and more aggressive stance. The rear diffuser is carefully integrated into the design, enhancing the car's aerodynamics, and providing a touch of performance-focused engineering. The quad exhaust tips are another highlight, delivering not just an auditory performance but a visual one as well. These elements combine to give the Continental GT an unmistakable road presence that demands attention wherever it goes. The 2025 Bentley Continental GT is also equipped with a range of customizations, allowing owners to personalize their vehicles to their exact specifications, from bespoke paint finishes to intricate details like polished chrome or satin-finished surfaces. Every inch of the car can be tailored to suit personal taste. Bentley's attention to detail is evident in the craftsmanship and quality of materials used throughout, with everything from the grille to the side mirrors reflecting the brand's commitment to perfection. Underneath its beautiful exterior, the 2025 Continental GT is not just about looks, it's built for performance. The car's aerodynamic features, such as the active rear spoiler and refined underbody, improve downforce and stability, whether cruising on the highway or pushing through tight corners. The Continental GT delivers an incredibly smooth and engaging driving experience, thanks to its advanced suspension system and dynamic torque distribution. In conclusion, the 2025 Bentley Continental GT is a masterpiece of design, blending timeless elegance with cutting-edge performance and engineering. It's a car that demands attention, with every curve, line, and detail meticulously crafted to perfection. This is a luxury Grand Tourer that not only looks incredible but performs just as impressively. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more reviews and in-depth explorations of the world's finest automobiles here on Luxury Car.